Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Mod Watches video. And in today's video, I've got something a bit different for you today. So usually we show you the client watches that are going out, Seco mods and luxury one-to-ones. But in this video, I want to show you a luxury one-to-one, which I'm actually keeping to myself. And I'm really, really excited because this is actually a birthday present for myself. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to treat myself. I'm going to get a watch which I really, really like. It's my favorite watch. And let's see what it looks like. So the watch in question is the Rolex GMT Master 2. It's called the Batgirl, so it's a blue and black dial. Well, you'll see it in a second, so I'm not going to explain it. But for those of you who know what it is, that's what it is. That's the one that I've gone for. And the reason why I'm making this video is firstly to show you the quality of the pieces that we provide, and secondly to show you that we stand behind every single one-to-one that we provide. And you can see this one-to-one I'm specifically keeping for myself. My partner Simon, he's also got a one-to-one as well. So these very same one-to-ones that we're keeping for our own collection are the same one-to-ones that we feel confident and happy to provide you with as a client. Okay, so you'll see here the quality. I have actually shown this exact watch on my channel before, and we've got loads of orders off the back of that. So it's not a new watch on the channel, but we're going to show you anyway because this is my personal piece, and I'm quite excited to open it. So you see here, this is the box for the Rolex GMT Master 2. Now, if you go for a box and papers version, ask us about that because we can provide the box and papers as well. It is a little bit more of a fee, but you do get the full experience. Usually we sell the watch just on its own, but if you do want it as a gift or something like that, you'd want the box and papers. So please do let us know, and we can kind of guide you through how to go about that. And that goes for any of the watches that we sell, whether it's a Seco mod or a one-to-one luxury watch. Check out the links in the description below, and we'll be able to help you out. All right, so this is the box. We're going to go ahead and open it. Let's see what is inside. Okay. It's a nice looking box there. I mean, it's just a box. Nothing too special about that. Right, so we have like a lining on here. Okay, so there is the box. You can see nice and green. Got this badge here. Let's open it up. Okay, how shall we do this? Right, I'll tell you what. I'm going to lift this and bring it into view for you so you can see it properly. Okay, as you can see there, that is the watch. And you can see the box and papers here. You can see some papers in there. I'll go through that in a second, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to carefully take this watch out. And let's pop that back in there. There we are. Okay. Right, guys. Take a look at that. Now, I'm going to shut my mouth because there's absolutely nothing more I can say. It's doing all the talking with the way it looks. So have a look at the quality of this watch. I mean, it is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Batgirl is obviously on the Jubilee Bracelet, which you can see here. I've still got some stickers to take off, so I'll have a nice time doing that later on tonight. But guys, take a look at this. The quality of this is absolutely insane, and the shine is just, I mean, like I said, I can just shut my mouth and let you adore this piece. It is absolutely beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. Let's have a little play about with this. Because usually when I'm making videos of client watches going out, I don't really get that much time to actually play about with the watch. Now this is my own watch, so let's have a look at the different features that it's got. So first things first, it's a GMT, so you have a GMT hand here, the blue one. It's got the bi-rotational bezel, and you can see that it's very, very quiet, because on the GMT Master 2 there is no clicks when you move the bezel. it's just a very, very rubberized sort of feel. And that's how it's supposed to be. Okay. Then what we've got is the crown. So let's undo the crown. Now I do apologize. The video will go out of focus a little bit in parts of this video because I am moving the watch backwards and forwards. So please do bear with me while both of my hands are busy. There we go. Okay. So 2 clicks out and it will take you to the time setting. So you can see we are setting the time. And let's go to 12 o'clock. Okay. Or maybe not. Let's go around again. That's the issue when you are taking a video on just one go without any edits. Okay, there we go. So changed the date on there. Very, very tight tolerances, obviously, with these 1-to-1s. With Seiko mods, you'll find a little bit more play in that. So it might change the date when you get to 10-to or 1/4-to or something like that. But with these 1-to-1s, it's pretty much bang on 12 o'clock. So if we pop the crown in once, what we then go to is the charging of the movement. The D-Dong movement, best in class really, 3235. Let's pull that out. Now, once you pull it out once, you can then change the hour hand there, right? So as you can see, you can change that. And obviously with that, you can then line that up with the actual GMT position as well. And there's obviously more videos that kind of go in depth on how you need to set that and stuff, which you can all find online. So I'm not going to go too much in depth here, but just wanted to show you the different sort of functions on this. Okay, see that there. Let's have a look on the back. It's just a closed case back, nothing really that special there. Jubilee bracelet, as you can see, I've taken no links off it yet, which is the reason why it's quite long. Lol. And obviously need to take a few of these links out for myself. Okay. The watch is really, really lovely. I mean, I'm just admiring it as I go, guys. I mean, this is sort of like the... as you can imagine, we're so busy with orders and stuff that I don't really get the chance to kind of sit down and really admire something that's mine. I've got loads of Seiko mods that are in my collection. Obviously, this is... I've got 1-to-1s as well. This is my 3rd 1-to-1 now. So I've got 2 other Datejusts in my collection. But this is a really, really special one because I've wanted this for a long time. I just thought, you know what, let's just wait. We don't want to go crazy with these 1-to-1s, but you know, that's how it is. And we are at the point where we've actually got it. So I'm kind of admiring it at the same time. Another thing to show you is that there is a quick adjustment here in the clasp as well. So let me show you. Let me see if I can show you. So you see there. So that clicks out. So now you've got a bit more play. You can tighten it up. Gives you a bit of micro adjustment, you can call it. It doesn't have that other slidey thing, but it does have micro adjustment, which you can quite quickly set. And of course, in the video, it's now not going to cooperate with me. There we go. Okay, so probably couldn't see that properly because my hand was in the way, but it has slightly shortened the actual circumference of the diameter, circumference, whatever you call it, of the actual size of the thing. Okay, do bear with me, guys. I'm not like one of these really experienced watch reviewers because they use some specialist terms, but as you can imagine, it's just whatever's coming to mind. I'm just kind of going through it. So thank you for sticking with me. Okay, now Let me show you. Obviously, it's got loom as well. Let me show you what you get inside the box. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's do that, Shez. All right. So what's in the box? Obviously, you have the pillow. Let's pop that away. Let's open this up. Okay, couple of things inside here. We've got some nice goodies. Let's have a look. Right. So, adjuster. Obviously, you'll get that. Absolutely, no question about that. Right, you've got an NFC card. Let's get this out. Okay, there we go. This is an NFC card. So what this means is you can put your phone against this and it will go directly to the Rolex website and it'll actually show you what model watch you've actually got. Right, so that's quite cool. I will show you this in a second. So let's pop that in there. You've got the white swing tag. There you go. Pop that down. And then you've got a pack of some more goodies. Let's open this up. Okay. Now guys, I am treating this a little bit rough because this is my own watch, so I kind of don't care. But if this is your stuff, if you've ordered from us, you can be absolutely rest assured that none of these things are going to be opened or touched or anything like that. They'll obviously be in the pack that you get and it'll be for you to open up. So you've got the green swing tag. You've got the, what do you call it, the wax tag thing. There you go, look. Okay. Pop that in there. And then you've got the wallet. The infamous green wallet. Very, very nice material is this. Really, really nice. You can see there. You got another card in here which has the don't have the serial number on it, but it's got like the guarantee stuff on it. So pop that in there. And then you've got the booklets. So Oyster Perpetual GMT Master 2. And of course, I'm not going to go through the whole book, right? But this is kind of what you see inside. Let's have a look. Yeah, all in English. And you'll find all the functions in here as well. There you go, look. Okay, so just coming back to the NFC card, as you can see here. So what you'll do is if you take your phone and you touch it with the NFC card, you can see there straight away it will go straight to the model that you've got, as you can see. It'll give you all of the information about the model, and there you can see the exact one that we've got. GMT Master 2 shows you the retail price, shows you what model it is. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And that's all included in the box and papers for you as well. And yeah. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm going to be putting this on my wrist. Let's see if we can get a wrist shot, which you guys always ask me about. And I always say to you guys, look, I can't give you a wrist shot when I'm sending out the watches for clients. That's not something we can do, obviously. But this is mine, so I can give you a wrist shot. So there we are. Brilliant, brilliant watches, this. Absolute work of art. Absolutely beautiful. Can't go wrong with something like a GMT Master 2 in the blue and black. Called a Batman or a Batgirl, depending on what bracelet you spec it with. But yeah, I think in my opinion, this Jubilee bracelet is absolutely beautiful. Very, very nice. All right, thank you for watching. So there are going to be links in the description below if you want to get yourself one of these or any other watch that you're thinking about. Get in touch with us. We will be more than happy to help you out. And this was a longer video, so thank you for bearing with me waffling on. But hopefully that's given you a bit more of an in-depth look into what you get when you grab a one-to-one from us. And especially with the box and papers, you get all of the goodies that you need. I mean, I can admire this thing all night. So I am going to end the video there. Any comments, any questions, please let me know in the description. Not in the description, in the comments below. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.